Hi YouTube, it's me Josh, and I finally got the carburetor back on. Got new seals for the carb and intake and exhaust gaskets. And let's see if it'll run. Almost. Yep, it's about halfway. Yeah, almost.
You got the choke on?
I had about 3/4 open.
Well, if it's running, don't screw with anything.
Whoops. Hi YouTube, it's me Josh. Sorry about the video before this. I had it getting it started unknown to me that there was a really big crack in the board, so when I went to pull it the last time, as seen in the last part of the video, it split. So since then it's about 6 o'clock right now. I don't remember when that last video was, or when I took it. I got the board fixed, had me and my grandpa help tune the engine, and it's running real good now. And I'll be doing a video of it running after this. I will also be posting on end of this video. I'll be putting pictures of the carburetor I put on last night before I went to bed. It took about an hour and a half for me to put everything back together. A little bit of today, a little bit of fixing went on. Had to fix the main idle jet. There's a washer that goes outside, that was inside, and the bowl didn't fill, so I had to put in a new needle. Luckily, I had it. If you're wondering what the background is, I'm at my grandpa's. Until next time, take care. Hi, it's me again. This is after I fixed the the engine board, and my grandpa helped me tune up the carburetor. It's running perfect now. Let's give it a whirl. Because I took the choke off too early. I had to shut off the fuel to drain the carb, and I noticed one of the engine bolts holding at the board is loose. Thanks for watching. Happy steaming.